Clean Urban Energy is a technology company that connects building operations with electric grid operations. What this does is this allows building owners to understand grid requirements and opportunities provided to them by the grid.
It's been our experience to date that many times electricity sale may be consummated by a vendor itself, which is looking to optimize their best interest as opposed to the customer's best interests. And we see it as part of our objectives and our mission to help customers lower their costs and manage risk in the process. Part of our sales campaign and process to work with our customers and actually help educate them in electricity markets where the opportunities may exist.
Historically, buildings have optimized their operations and all of their equipment installs, their designs around these old utility rates, these flat 7-cent rates. So we take advantage of some economics that buildings haven't had the opportunity to tap before.
Clean Urban Energy has a really unique feature in that we turn buildings into batteries. We develop a sophisticated building model to understand its thermal capacity. The way that we do that is we leverage the thermal mass in the building, which is really going to be the concrete, the drywall, the structure of the building itself. And what we do is we actually cool the area so that the space temperature gets nice and cool. And eventually that will permeate the mass. And when that does so, we are able to actually scale back on the cooling a little bit during peak times. And what we're able to do in that case is lower the peak demand when electricity is expensive and maintain thermal comfort in the building.
The building operator always has control of his temperature thresholds and set points, so they can override it at any time, and they also will always see that our temperatures that are being sent back into the building are within the ranges they have defined. We send a building 24-hour set points every day, every hour. And this allows us to look 24 hours into the future and understand how the building should best operate.
If energy prices go up, as an example, they get this information into their building automation system and they can adjust their operation in real time. The best part is that the system is fully automated. Once a building is in production, we source weather data and leverage our building model to predict hourly cooling requirements. Our cloud application then integrates day-ahead electricity prices and utility tariff rates to identify the optimal set point strategy, and then automatically implements the strategy to operate the building at the lowest cost without adversely affecting tenant comfort. Our solution is unique in that it predicts versus responds and implements versus notifies, virtually eliminating the need for manual intervention by the facility operations team.
Buildings will already have an existing building automation system, and then we feed in our set points so that we can operate their building in a way that reduces their energy.
We typically find that we can have around a 20 to 25% cost savings of the cooling load.
Clean Urban Energy delivers our technology as a SaaS platform. So that means we don't have to have any major equipment in the building, and it connects remotely to our data center where we do all the heavy lifting.
Building managers and building engineers have an awful lot of things on their plate every day. We had to make this that easy that they could have confidence that it's working and it's not messing up their building. Had to make it so easy that they could see the financial benefits of using our technology. So easy that the grid operators wouldn't wonder what these building guys are doing with all these motors inside the building. We've accomplished that.